5 months ago, I applied 3 different ceramic coatings to my daily driver to challenge and understand the truth behind their advertised durability. Since then, they have battled harsh winter conditions, salt, ice, road chemicals, you name it. Manufacturers promise years of protection, but do they really hold up? Today, you'll witness the real-world results. It's now been 5 months since we have applied our ceramic coating. Now it's time to evaluate their performance 5 months later, after going through winter, ice, cold, snow, salt, road grime, road film, all that crap that is stuck on the road, splashing your car pretty much on a daily basis. So it's been a pretty hard winter. So I can't wait to show you guys the results, so let's jump right into it. By the way, only on this channel you get great content like this with real world results, real facts, no BS. So subscribe to the channel and thank you if you have already. Now, if you haven't seen the initial story about those 3 products, I'm gonna link the video right here for you guys to check out because those 3 products are very different. This is the Clean by Pam 3-year ceramic coating, which is pretty new on the market. And then we have the DIY Detail 3-year. So I'm gonna talk about the ease of use, the application, the pricing. Everything is in that first video, the initial water beading, which is super important. And the last product is Bola Solution Pure Shield Evo. That's the Pro version, so that's only available to certified installer. This is a 7-year ceramic coating with self-healing properties. So go check out that first video. You'll see the initial water beading and my opinion and my thoughts on the application and if it is worth your time and money. And there's no excuses for these products. I have carefully applied them, took care of them, washed them with Carpro Reset or other good soap to maintain these ceramic coatings. I have put this car in the garage most of the time. It's still a daily driver nonetheless, but this car has been maintained. It's just been through a super harsh winter. As you guys can see in the footage, it's super dirty, super kicked up in here in Quebec, Canada. And in my past experience, most of the ceramic coating would die after one winter, such as Carpro UK 3.0, G-Technique CSL, and XO. A sealant would probably not survive even a first wash, guys. So this is as harsh as it can get. And I've spoke with a chemist recently. You can see that video on the House of Rags YouTube channel. I've spoke with Chris and he mentioned that the hardest thing for ceramic coatings is basically salt, humidity, and all that crap that is stuck on your paint all the time. So there you have it. So on the front door, we have Clean by Pam 3-year ceramic coating. On that second door, we have DIY 3-year and the Bola Solution Evo Pure Shield Pro only is on the rear quarter. So the rear bumper and as well the fender up to the top. So we've got 3 different sections. I have been throwing pre-wash this product on this car the whole winter, as you guys have seen in the previous videos. So we'll look at the water beading, look at the water performance. So you guys know who is the best performing ceramic coating in Northeast in Quebec, Canada. Before we do that, I'm gonna pre-wash the car with Built Timber Touchless Wash, clean off the wheels, and then we'll look at the water behavior on the paint. Now, all the products and the tools used and mentioned in this video are going to be linked down below for you guys to look into. And don't forget to use the coupon code Dogma to save you some money. And let's get back into the video. All right, we're done with the pre-wash. Let's look at the water behavior. That's fine. So pretty flat, obviously. The road film is there. DIY. Flat. Bola is flat behind the wheel and up top. The hydrophobics are still there up top for. Okay, so I have some Carpro Reset in my bucket with a few mitts. Let's give it a wash on the whole side. By the way, if you're not foaming your soap, what you can do is just pour some soap like this I have like 8 mitts in there, so I don't want to dunk them back in afterwards after one panel. And I have like 20 liters or 5 gallons of soap, so I don't mind wasting some of it. So let's look at the Bola solution Pro Only. It's doing very, very good. I'm really impressed. So this coating is made to last. Obviously, it's a Pro Only. It's quite more difficult to apply, but yeah, good results. Doing very, very good. All right, so the Bola is beating, but let's look at the performance overall. It's fast sheeting, I like it. It's not as hydrophobic as the pan, Clean by Pan 3 year, but it's good hydrophobics and fast sheeting. It's a good combo of both. Let's look at the pan. Extremely hydrophobic still. There's a weird line here. Let me give it a wash again. Extremely impressive. So our DIY is very, very slow sheeting. We'll have to try to revive that in other video. That's extremely flat, unfortunately. Give you guys another angle for the DIY detail. Extremely flat. Pretty much dead. If it were to sheet very fast, I would not mind. But slow sheeting like this, we need to wake it up. So have it for another video here. So Bola solution, Pure Shield, Pro Only, 70% polysiloxane, has been doing super good. It's sheeting water fast. It's also beating water extremely fast. Very happy with this product so far. It's a 7-year coating. So we'll keep an eye on it, but as expected, it lasted through the whole winter. With the price of this coating, you really want to have a good return of investment, and so far it's been doing great. And for me, in my opinion, the star of this show, the Clean by Pan 3-year ceramic coating, beating like day one. The paint looks great. Everything is still there. It seems like it's day one, like I said. So far, we'll keep an eye on it as well for the next upcoming months. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, but it's great if you want to grab a coating, guys. As usual, I really appreciate if you use the links down below. And lastly, the DIY 3-year ceramic coating, the easiest product to use. In my opinion, it's an entry-level coating. Super nice to apply, but in terms of durability or longevity, it's not doing super good so far. It's very, very slow sheeting. So we'll have to try to wake it up in another episode, another video, where I will be comparing 3 products to revive your coating, 3 acidic type of shampoo or water spot remover. So you don't want to miss this out. So guys, subscribe to the channel as usual. And now if you want to switch things up and look at the Armor Detail Supply line of products, check it out right here.